Hey guys, how's it going today? I hope you all had a really super great 4th of July. I hope everybody was safe and happy and had a really great time. There were a lot of booming going on last night. So, did this shift your vibration any, being in that really happy frame of mind? When you're happy, that is a vibration. And when you're sad, that's a vibration. And when you're angry, that's a vibration. So think about all the vibrations that you're having every single day throughout your day. And no, it is not possible for every person to stay happy every single day. You cannot stay and be happy, happy, happy all the time. But you can keep that vibration by remembering and knowing what the happy feeling feels like. What does it feel like when you are happy? Don't you feel like you can just accomplish anything and everything? And in the event that you're feeling out of sorts, or maybe you don't have the get up and go that you want, maybe whatever is going on, oh, thank you so much, is there, an emotional shift is needed to start replacing that vibration. So if you're feeling out of sorts, things aren't quite going your way, or maybe you're just feeling like, oh, today's not my day. That happens to all of us. And the biggest key I can tell you is to an emotional shift, to shift your vibration. And for me, when I do this and I shift my vibration from whatever I'm in, if it's a funk, if it's, not being, totally on top of my game that day, if I shift my vibration, it gets to where I want it to go. And it's my choice. It's the law of life. It's my choice. So sometimes I find out that it is good if you just walk fast. Just take a fast walk. It could be around your house. It could be up and down the block. It could be up and down your stairs. It could be anywhere. Or maybe just do a little exercise, do a little stretching, a little yoga. Anything you're doing that is going to change your vibration is going to be a big plus. If you're getting stuck in that place, or you're in that vibrational state of, it's not working, I'm not doing this, I'm just burned out, I'm just really tired, whatever it is for you. I can tell you what I do, and I can tell you what all the other, top people out there are doing, but it may not, and it may work for you, either or. It just depends on you yourself. But what I can do here is what I'm telling you and sharing with you is what we're doing and how we're doing it. And it makes the vibrational shift, which you can mirror and use to grow yourself and to grow and be that person, get that one out, that you want to be, and to have what you want to have. And it's all a vibration. The world, the life, it's all a vibration. And I know you've all heard of the laws of attraction. Well, there's so many universal laws that are there that have been given to us by God, back when we were born. So however long ago that was for you. So if you're using those or not using those, it is your choice. So I suggest, and this is a suggestion, I suggest you take this and I suggest you start using it. Because by shifting your emotions, by shifting your vibrations, you are going to see so much more come to you, for you, with you, about you. And it's all going to be focused around what you are creating. So as you're doing this, and as this is coming to you, then take a look at what you're really doing. Are you hurting yourself, or are you helping yourself? And you want to replace, and I don't mean just change, you want to replace all of those limiting beliefs that are getting in your way. Surround yourself with the people, the books, the motivations. Anything that you want to create is there. You just have to get in the right vibration to do so. And everyone has the ability to get in the right vibration. It doesn't mean if you can walk or talk or run or, hear, or it doesn't matter. You all know what the vibration that you need to be in is. So if you want to create the wealth you want, and we're going to focus on that a little bit because this seems to be one of the biggest topics that I'm hearing about. because I do a lot of coaching for online businesses. I do a lot of coaching to help people with their mindset. And I do a lot of coaching to help people just to get clear of their limiting beliefs. So if you're in any of these categories, if you're in anything that, I'm specializing in right now, then you want to take a look at what you're doing today, right this minute, right this second. Are you doing anything that is benefiting you, that is helping you, that is making you grow better and stronger and happier? Think about it for just a second. What are you doing that is making your life better? It is that simple. And all of you know, I run everything so simple. I will find any system, any strategy out there that I see is working for others, or see is working for, someone else on my team or someone else in my group. And I will take it. If it's too difficult for me, I will take it and break it down into smaller bites and make it work. That's all you can do, is you can make it work for you. Change it up, make it your own. So anything that I'm teaching you, I don't expect you to use every single thing right to the letter. What I expect is for you to take these teachings and take this training that I give you and make it your own. Mirror what is working and take it and run with it. Make it in your words, in your feelings, okay? So if uncertainty is normal for you, and it's normal for all of us, we all get a phase or a piece of life that we're uncertain about. Maybe you're uncertain about making this new course that you started to create, and you're uncertain if it's going to pan out. You're uncertain if it's going to work for the people that you have targeted for. And knowing your target market, not to change the subject on that, but knowing your target market is more in tune to knowing what they need, more in tune to knowing what the desires they have, what they want to create, what they need to get done. So by doing that, it's a little bit of legwork there. It's a little bit of finger work on the keyboard. But by doing that, you're going to be able to give more specific targeted trainings and systems for your team and for maybe possible new team members. We all want to keep growing and keep getting ourselves out there to make it the best it can be for everybody. So think of yourself as being happy and successful. Just take a minute now, take a deep breath and let it out slowly. You have to always let it out slowly. Deep breath in through your nose and slow out through your mouth. And by doing this, you are moving energy. You are moving vibrations. And you're creating a new vibration every time you do this. And the thoughts you have in your mindset, at the time you're doing this, you're changing your vibrations. When you're doing this, I do this actually throughout my day. All throughout my day, I'll find myself just clearing my vibrations, clearing my aura, clearing it all, and just clearing it out and replacing it with what I want, what I need, what I intend to have and do and be for that day. So, and it's a spiritual power. It is so enlightening because you can master your thinking, master what you want to do, who you want to be, and basically how you want to do things. It's up to you. You can have the best life ever that you choose to have. Just depends on what you want to do. And again, you'll heard me say this before. Surround yourself with people that are already doing it. Surround yourself with people that are happy, that are energetic, that have the gumption, that have the willpower, that have the drive to be and have and be that person. So if you surround yourself with people that already know how to do it, that are doing it, that's going to rub off on you. And the same thing, I'm going to say the same thing here, because once you get yourself into that vibration, your vibration, whether it be happy or not, is rubbing off on the people around you. It's a fact. There's no guessing about it. There's nothing else to say about it. It's a scientific fact. It is a neuroscience. And you've all heard me talk about Dr. Joe Dispenza. He's an amazing neuroscientist, and I have learned so much from him. And learning how to change vibrations and how to make it work for you is a huge plus. And no, it's not always easy. And no, you're not just going to do it and wake up one day and everything's all hunky-dory. It doesn't work that way. You have to work on it until you change the limiting beliefs that you have. And if you're a person, this is just a hypothetical. I've had a lot of people saying that they've thought this, that they can't get past it. And so if this is you, if you are in a conundrum, if you're in a place inside yourself that you're thinking somewhere deep inside of you, well, I've tried that and it doesn't work. I tried my limiting beliefs, but I really don't see how I can get rid of them. I can't get rid of them. If you're in that conundrum right there, then you need to take another closer look at how you're doing it. Because you can, if you want to, you have to totally want to do this. You have to totally want it and know it and feel it. And you can change those limiting beliefs and replace them. Replace them. Don't leave a hole in yourself. Replace it with a positive belief, a positive action. If you have a negative belief of you'll never have money, you'll never have the lifestyle you want, you'll never get that car, that boat, that new truck, whatever it is, if you have that mentality, change it. Change it and see yourself having everything you want. See yourself becoming and being that person. When you do, when you actually see yourself being that person, being that great person that you want to be. When you see that person already looking at you in the mirror in the morning, when you brush your teeth, wash your face, in the shower, whatever, when you see that person shining through for you, you make yourself more and more unstoppable. I mean it, more and more. It just grows and grows, this positivity. And one day you're going to just find it's second nature. You don't have to think about it. It just automatically comes to you. When you do that, when you can turn a grumpy day into a really happy day, and everyone around you is like, why are you always so happy? Why are you always smiling? Why are you always just being happy? And you'll find that you're rubbing off on them. And you're rubbing off on the people that need to have your smile, that need to have that positive energy coming to them from you. Whether it be family, friends, maybe it's a coworker, maybe you have a team and you're online and you do lives. Maybe you get on Zoom and you do masterminds you can do and interact with people. Maybe it's all of that and more. It's up to you. So take a look at what you're doing today. Look at yourself, look at your actions, and shift your vibration to where you want it to be. When you do that, you will find success in what you want to do. And I had a mail delivery slide in on my desk. Okay, guys, take this to heart and definitely use it. Turn it around, twist it to make it you. Make it your own, and make it something that makes you really happy. Okay? I will chat with you all later, and I'm just going to ask you guys, everybody out there that sees this video, please like and share it. Let's keep this baby going. Let's help as many people as we can, okay? Let's get you out there. Every time you share my video, you get your name out there, and you get more of your vibration out there. So let's get it out there for everybody to see and share and use, because I want you to be growing yourself too. And get over there to YouTube and subscribe to our channel, because it's growing and it's getting there. We're manifesting it the way we want it to go, and it's going to be great when it's all up and running. Great, great, great. So I have some training up here for you guys. take a look at it, use it, get involved, join these teams, join the systems that we've got going on, and get involved and start making the choices and the plans you need to make your changes. You're already in July, guys. The year's almost up. If you haven't got where you need to go, you need to stop and take a look at where you're at and where you want to be. It's all up to you. Okay, I will chat with you later and have a super great day.